How to deposit USD on crypto.com tutorial. Now if you want to deposit USD on crypto.com, which is a money or in some cases a fiat currency, right, it's very simple to do so. After you make sure you've downloaded the crypto.com app, you just want to make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you log into your account, you can see this couple of options where what you have to do is you'll see this interface where you'll find the transfer option. So just tap on the transfer icon from the top. When you click on the transfer option, you have the option to deposit or withdraw. So we're trying to deposit it, so we'll just click on the option that says deposit right here. Now here you can see to deposit crypto or fiat. Now USD is actually real money, which is fiat currency. So you want to select the option called fiat, and from there you can select USD, and from there on you can follow the on-screen instructions in order to go ahead and then basically link your payment method and deposit the required amount to your crypto.com account. This way you'll be able to deposit USD on crypto.com. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.